just back with another video talking about my thoughts that no one wants to hear. Okay, let's get into it. Like, how dare you? You're the beauty community. This shit. The crazy things that are happening.
Our channels are going nowhere.
Honestly, every brand has some crappy products, but
I am sick.
I hate it. Great. Clickbait.
Step aside. Look, adds a little bit of fuel to the fire. But I don't like to get involved in any drama. Eve?
Woo! There's nothing I can say that's an excuse. I'm just sorry. I did that. Please just hate me. I'm sorry.
I should be better because I want to own up to my shortcomings.
The $60,000 in their shit. Checking in to get a piece of the action. We're big and like we're awesome. It's frustrating to me to fuck up by that's just crazy. It's a big issue. I'm vain, money hungry, shitty place where people are fighting and all this kind of stuff. That happens. I'm no fucking part of that.
I'm okay with that. What are you saying? Like, if you don't fall for it.
But I have some tricks up my sleeve and...
Would you look at that? Would you look at it?
Look at that. Get from behind. Look at that.
Hey everybody, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, it's like 100 degrees here, and perfect time to film a video. So today we are going to be looking at is not the top 10, but the top 12 photos and videos with life-altering backstories. And of course, we're doing a beauty edition. Now, I want to give credit to Top 5 Unknowns. I will link his channel down below in my description box. This is where I got the idea. He usually does a video called Top 5 or Top 10 Photos with Disturbing Backstories, so I figured I would change it around a little bit and do Beauty Edition. Now, guys, you know I love doing these off-the-wall videos, especially since I'm not really able to do my tutorials right now until I get the right equipment. So we are looking at photos and also videos that have shaped the beauty community, as well as the ones that shook it up and made it into one of the most talked about communities here on YouTube. So let's get started, guys.
Roll the clip.
So first, we're going to start off at number 12. We couldn't very well do this video without at least looking at the first beauty video ever put on YouTube. Michelle Phan, CEO of Ipsy, downloaded her first video on the much-loved platform in 2007. 12 years ago, Michelle started one of the biggest communities here on YouTube with her 7-minute, 10-second video titled Natural Looking Makeup Tutorial. Today, Michelle has over 8 million subscribers, and she doesn't upload too regularly, but I did check it since editing this video, and she does have a live video going that has been streaming live since June 1st, and it is an animated makeup tutorial. And I'm pretty sure she is just busy because she is, again, CEO of Ipsy. She also has a cosmetic line called M, and she also dabbles in many more things than that. Sorry guys, I'm sweating through this whole thing. So it brings us to number 11. What is the beauty community with no drama? That is where the beauty drama comes in. And who started the beauty drama community? Well, Sanders Kennedy is going to take the crown on this one, and he makes it to our list with his video titled Disappointing Encounter with Guru Nicole Guerrero. Now, in this video, he tells about his confrontation with her in an elevator. Now, I couldn't find the original video, but it is still floating around. You can Google this, and there is a channel called Unknown that shows clips of his video and also Nicole's video where she addresses it. Uploaded October of 2015, so Sanders takes the cake on this one, thus starting the beauty drama community. Now, this rude encounter with Nicole got him a pretty big following, with over 207,000 subscribers, and having the right to say that he has paved the road for the others that keep us entertained and linked into the most watched drama on YouTube. Now, this drama is going to take us straight to number 10. Now, I have quite a few Jeffree Star stories in this list today. Let's start with the drama that was against Jeffree. Now, if you were watching YouTube last year in 2018, then you were here for Dramageddon and cancel culture. This is the photo that started these terms. While friends Laura Lee, Manny MUA, Nikita Dragon, and also Gabriel Zamora were on a brand trip, Gabriel uploaded this photo or posted this photo to his Twitter with the following caption: "Bitch is bitter, because without him we're doing better." Well, this picture led to a waterfall of drama. People were pulling up past racist tweets from all four of them, but really only two of them were taking the blunt of the blame. While Gabriel was let off right after his apology, and Nikita Dragon damn near got away with that, she still has yet to take any of the blame for it. Laura Lee and Manny MUA were the ones affected the most, with Laura posting her apology and losing over 240,000 subscribers in just a few days, and Manny losing over 250,000 subscribers to date. They both continue to lose subscribers till this day. Laura's is somewhere around over 480,000 subscribers she has lost till, and this is among other things. They have lost sponsorships, brand deals, and there's been many more things that they have missed out on because of this. I just don't know if they could ever recover from it. Speaking of apologies, that brings us to number 9. Now, Jeffree Star has been in the middle of some overwhelming drama, and lots of it. And I think it was his apology that first started this apology video craze that YouTubers are using to gain the trust back from their subscribers. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So Jeffree's apology video, titled Racism, makes this list. His 15-minute upload in June 2017 took YouTube by storm, and the internet for that fact. Many people praised Jeffree for being able to call himself out and admit when he was wrong. This also showed that he could gain back the trust from his audience, and some people can change or correct theirself. Now, he done this one with teaching the fact that this is not okay. This video opened up the floodgates for all of these apology videos everywhere all over YouTube. While some people didn't accept it, Jeffree's channel is still going strong with over 15 million subscribers, and most of them are very loyal stans of his. And this trustworthy move brings us to number 8. Jeffree Star shows his honesty, how much he puts his loyal fans before any brands and in front of money. With his Snapchat where he was throwing out Kylie Cosmetics products, her lippies. People and fans were amazed and shocked when Jeffree uploaded this snap in 2016, throwing away these Kylie Cosmetics lippies that he got in PR. There were flaws with the wands, the ends of them were fraying, and a lot of people were having the same problems with these. This showed that Jeffree had more integrity for his fans than for the brands. And still till this day, you can go over to Jeffree's channel and get an honest review, no matter how hurtful it is to the brand. Now that brings us to number 7, guys. You know Nicole Concilio, right? Her first Kylie video, uploaded in September 2016, started a ruckus. With her always liking products, the drama channels got a whiff of it. She was always giving good reviews. Then, just as drama channels took notice, as Rich Lux would say, Nicole Love It So Much Concilio was giving every brand and every product glowing reviews, especially Kylie Cosmetics. Well, it done her more good than bad. It didn't really affect her channel. It actually helped the growth of her channel. People were loving the positivity. With her channel gaining over 870,000 subscribers. I'm sure it also taught her a lesson as well. Now you can go to her channel and expect an honest review. In a small way, it did show her that she needs to put her audience first. The ones that follow you before any brands. Because it is them, it is your audience, it is your followers that get you to where you are today, not the brands. If it wasn't for the subscribers and followers, the brands wouldn't even acknowledge who she was While we're on brands, let's jump into number 6. Marlena Still, CEO of Makeup Geek, uploaded this video titled My Truth Regarding the Beauty Community in August of 2018. Now this opened up a whole new can of worms. This video got over 1.1 million views, where she exposes some influencers that were making and charging brands $60,000 for a YouTube video and $20,000 for an IG post. Now, of course, she doesn't name any names. Some people speculated, though, it was Jaclyn Hill was one of them. And some influencers come out stating their stories and telling their own truths and their side of the stories. But he really couldn't pinpoint the ones that were so expensive. Today, Marlena still speaks her truth, with her channel having over 1.4 million subscribers. Recent video titled Dear Influencers. She is still confronting these YouTubers head on. So number 5. Now this picture was the first of many. A picture showing a Jaclyn Hill's Cosmetics lipstick that just recently launched with extra ingredients than what was on the ingredients list. This poor girl was attacked by Jaclyn Hill fans and Jaclyn Hill herself. Then more and more people started coming out with these lipsticks. They had hair in a metal, these little balls of something that were gritty in texture. And this is still going on today. Jaclyn Hill has since then deactivated her social accounts, trying to avoid the backlash. She still has yet to address what is actually in the lippies, or even recalling them. This brings us to number 4. James Charles high school picture. This started his YouTube career and really earned him a spotlight in history, with him becoming the first ever cover boy for CoverGirl. And now his presence on YouTube has gained him a massive following of over 15 million subscribers. Not too shabby for a high school photo. Now, some people speculate that he faked the picture, he retook it, but that really hasn't stopped him. His channel has over 1.6 billion views. Nice. Next, let's dive into number 3. This is the first known beauty subscription box ever. This is Birchbox, and they launched their very first box in September of 2010. It was thought of and launched by 2 college friends. I'm not sure how to pronounce their name. I'll probably butcher them, but Katia Beauchamp and Haley Barna, I believe. These 2 college friends launched Birchbox and thus came up with a new and unique way to purchase beauty products. Thus gave a new way for people to test out and try new makeup brands, new makeup products, different stuff. Glossy Box followed in 2011, and so on and so on and so on. Now there are so many and we can't even count them all. Now, number 2, guys, Nima Tang. Her first video that she uploaded, she is the first influencer with one of the darkest skin shades there is, that would soon to be known as changing the shade ranges for everyone of makeup products all around the world. She would show the brands everywhere the importance of being inclusive and to expand their shade ranges for everyone. Nima quickly grew her channel, which now has over 1 million subscribers and steady gaining with over 70 million views on her channel. People go to her to find out what brands are really being inclusive, which ones who are not budging. They're just not willing to change. This brings us to number 1, guys, the Tarte Foundation shade range. Do you guys remember this? When Tarte launched its foundation in January of 2018, which was just last year, people noticed that the shade range just wasn't quite there. And it wasn't ranging to deeper skin tones. There was only like 2 deep shades. And of course, my girl Nima steps in with her own review about them. And with only 2 dark shades, Tarte was tremendously receiving a lot of hate. Their excuse was that the darker shades come out later. They were so excited to get their brand out that that's just what they showed to represent the foundation. Well, that didn't work for them, so controversy started all over YouTube, and it erupted. They have since then fixed this, but they never really recovered, and I don't think they ever will for that one. They'll never live that one down. In thinking brands would learn their lesson, here comes Beauty Blender with its foundation. This is the picture that everybody got showing the Beauty Blender foundation shade range. Do you see that? Now this launched in July of 2018 with what looked like orange and purple shades, which still was larger than Tarts. But who were they shade matching? Gummy bears? Turns out someone enhanced the color of the photo, thus making it look colorful. Now guys, I'm going to throw in an honorable mention because I just had to do it. Tottie's now deleted Bye Sister video, uploaded this past May, exposing James Charles, addressing how she has helped him start his career. But he just got so famous, he just started not appreciating anything, lying to his fans, being disrespectful, and a sellout. All the way to using his fame to get with straight guys. Surprisingly, Tottie's channel rocketed to over 10 million subscribers. And James lost over 3 million subscribers. She since deleted this. James came out with an apology video. He also deleted the apology video, but now he has gained most of his subscribers back. I think he had around 16.5 million subscribers, and now he's got over 15 million subscribers. And Tottie's still holding tight there with 9.9 million subscribers still. Now, since these videos are deleted, you know, they are bigger channels, so they are still floating around the internet. Well, guys, there you have it. 13 top videos and pictures that took the beauty world by storm and started it off. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which ones do you remember? Is there anything I missed? As always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. And also, guys, rate the video for me. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.